Angry Guy here, and today we're discussing why an investor tells how he turned $32,000 into 1.2 million with crypto and then lost it all. Yes, let this be a tale for those of you who are investing in crypto of what not to do. I want to thank these patrons right here. You guys are awesome. And of course, special thanks to these patrons: Mickey Turner, Sharky, Gian Yuling, Neurons, Cryptonomy, Royal 2.5, B-Backs, Brian APR, Joe Martel, David Herrera, Dead, Lassive Crusader, Gabriel Prince, Goo Monster, Hansky, Iceberg 88, John Charles Clark Jr., Joshua Flores, Levi Abram, Nature Monk, Raymond Zuniga, Red Pill, Blue Mage, Saint Ever, CP Americana, Scott Van Mint, Thomas Danielle, Timothy Bruce Leoza, David Strong, Tim Myers, Daniel Diutley, and Sam Raven. You guys are absolutely amazing, and thank you for your continued support. All right, guys. So we're discussing today this investor tells how he turned $32,000 into $1.2 million in crypto and then lost it all. This is a story for the record books. Many of you who are new to the crypto space probably have not heard this one yet, and I'm guessing it's time to share it with you. I've always been ranting about the importance of taking profit, and I recently put out a new course that teaches you how to take profit to avoid losing everything. That's available on cryptomoney.academy, and you can find a link to the new course description of the video. And we're going to discuss this because so many young people, so many of you investors, young, old, are getting caught up in this trap. I'm going to have a conversation with Mickey Turner later, actually, and basically discuss him taking profit at this point. And I might have to make him I might have to make him put up a little bit of a fight, to actually do it, because a lot of people are, they're struggling with it. They are struggling, because you keep on thinking it's going to go higher, but you have to take profit. So this is a story about how an investor tells how he turned $32,000 into 1.2 million with crypto and then lost it all. Now, this is the face of Peter McCormack, and he's not bitter, by the way. He's not bitter. Peter McCormack, host of the podcast What Bitcoin Did, took to Twitter to tell the humbling tale of how he turned $32,000 into 1.2 million and then turned that 1.2 million into basically nothing. McCormack's tale acts as a kind of corollary to the recent story of the young investor Eric, who turned $1,000 gleaned from his grandmother into millions in crypto. McCormack, to the contrary, had the much more common arc of crypto investment, which was making some money as Bitcoin took off, going all in, and then losing almost the entirety of the investment as crypto was unable to sustain its upward velocity. So this is how it happened. McCormack said he invested some $32,000 in savings into a diverse crypto portfolio after his advertising agency folded in December of 2016, which was not a bad time to invest in crypto. And in 3 months, his investment grew about tenfold. So his investment went from $32,000 to catch this, $320,000 in 3 months. Okay, McCormack said that his luck caused him to think there was no way but up, and gave him the confidence to try to build wealth by creating a number of businesses. McCormack also invested a lot of money, at least $300,000, into mining, which he says has been the biggest loss of money. Remember what I told you guys about mining? Remember I told you guys to stay away from mining? I put out a new course previous to the profit course, also just teaching you how to get tons of free cryptocurrency without mining. All right. That course is available right now. You can take that course. I think it's $139. You can go and take that course. Stay away from mining. Stay away from mining. You can get tons and tons of free cryptocurrency without mining a single coin of it. In fact, you can get mineable coins pre-mined from the developers, okay? If you know how to, and you can sell them before they even appear on exchanges. You can get them and start selling them. You'll have them before they even appear on the exchanges, so you can start selling them before everyone else. All right, and I teach you all of that in that course. That course is linked in the description of the video as well. But this is about taking profit. So he invested about $300,000 into mining, which he says has been the biggest loss of money as mining rewards fell rapidly along with the crypto market, and mining costs continued to plague his wallet, which has since taken huge hits. McCormack isn't bitter and offers his investment failure as a kind of cautionary tale. McCormack claims the experience taught him he is not cut out for trading. Now, guys, check this out. The experience taught him he is not cut out for trading. This is sad. This is absolutely sad. So what does he do? When he falls down, he stays down. And that he sold his remaining Bitcoin for a podcast, which gives him a reliable but not exorbitant stream of advertising revenue. So yeah, guys, he basically, this is just sad. This is just so sad. So basically, greed and overambition have destroyed what could have been life-changing money. After I pay my tax bill, pretty much all is gone. The good news, I have the podcast, which is now generating an income, something a little bit more reliable. Guys, this guy gained a lot of knowledge of how cryptocurrency works. But because of his greed and the fact that he couldn't pick himself up after losing it, after losing all that money, he just threw in the towel. He said, at my peak, I had around 150 Bitcoin, but trading crap coins, I was losing BTC while gaining money. Yeah, remember I told you, crap coins is where it's at. All right, if you want to trade crap coins, that's where you're going to make money. What I finally realized that I was down to around 80 BTC, but this has been dropping in value as some of the coins I have been holding have collapsed because he would not take profit. He wouldn't take profit. All right, he ended up at $1.2 million and still refused to take profit. From 32,000 to 1.2 million and still refused to take profit. Okay? He went from 32,000 to 320,000 in 3 months and still refused to take profit. While there's a few notable winners in crypto investing, simply put, most people have lost money and in many cases a lot of money. While there may be another run for Bitcoin and crypto, investors will almost certainly continue to overextend themselves. As with all markets, the people who make their wealth on trading necessitate that vastly more people are losing theirs. All right? Guys, that's why I said I'm so concerned about so many of you, because a lot of you have so much potential, and right now we're in a crypto bull. I mean, we're basically entering into the bull run. $10,000, everyone starts going crazy and buying, and I've been warning you guys for ages now. Take profit. I just put out a new course for you guys, how to take profit from cryptocurrency and not lose your entire investment. And the course is now available for early bird buyers. So it's available at the early bird price of $99 for 48 hours. It's actually been out since yesterday. So you have about 1 hour and 15 minutes. You have about 1 day and 15 hours left. So you just have over 24 hours, to go and pick up the course at the early bird price of $99. And again, also, like I said, another important course is going to be how to get valuable cryptocurrency for free without mining or paying for it, because he lost $300,000 mining cryptocurrency. Okay, there's also free ways to mine crypto as well. Yes, you're like free. There's also very, very cheap ways to mine crypto, and there's actually crypto that you can mine through unconventional means. So you don't have to have hardware or any software. It doesn't cost any real investment to mine it. And I'll teach you about those in another course. But I want you to take this course, because this course is going to teach you how to get tons of free cryptocurrency without ever ever having to really spend a dime, without having to mine it, without having to pay for it. You'll literally just wake up and find tons of crypto in your wallet. So that's one course I want you guys to definitely take. It's $139 right now. And then we have the new course, how to take profit from cryptocurrency and not lose your entire investment. This course is $99, and basically with this course you'll know when to take profit. You're going to learn how to take profit from cryptocurrency investments. You're going to learn the importance of taking profit, the right way to safeguard your profit. So how to safeguard your profit once you've taken profit. Don't just like convert your cryptocurrency to don't just convert your profit to BTC and think you're good to go. It doesn't work like that. You're going to learn the best cryptocurrency resources to utilize to take profit. So I actually created an entire section in section 2 where I give you the resources that you're going to need to take profit and to safeguard your earnings. So this course is $100 right now. It's at the early bird special price. It goes for $129.99, but you can pick it up right now for $99.99. So that's what you're going to get at. That's the early bird special. You can find a link to the course in the description of the video. If you don't want to be like this guy, he says that he's not bitter. He says he's not bitter. Look at this face. He says he's not bitter, all right? This is the face of a man who's not bitter. Who's not bitter, right? Just look at this. This is the face of a man who's not bitter, all right? Don't be this guy. All right, don't be this guy. Anyway, guys, I hope this story has basically taught you a lesson. And don't forget that if you are a patron on the $30 tier above, you can send me a message and ask me for advice to evaluate coins for you and what I think, what you should be doing. Because again, and that's the service that I provide for the patrons on the crypto and wealth building tier and above. Because at the end of the day, right now we're entering a major bull run as we're watching instability in the global markets. Fiat currency is literally taking a complete nosedive, and everyone is rushing over to BTC and other cryptocurrencies as a safeguard of wealth. As I said, you shouldn't be investing in BTC though. In most cases, you should be investing in crap coins, because those are going to be the coins that are going to allow you to really increase your wealth, where you're going to be able to multiply you're going to be able to take $100 and increase that to $10,000 or $20,000, or again in no time at all, because a lot of coins are going to increase by 10 times to 1,000 times or more. And yes, this is actually quite common in BTC in crypto. This bull run is going to be one that you don't want to miss out on, because it's just so extensive. It's so mega. It is literally so mega that you have to be practical at this point, or else you are not going to you're not gonna get the opportunity again. Like I said, this is it for us. And there's so many millennials and just boomers, in fact, like, who are basically heading into retirement right now with no nest egg, with nothing to back them up. And it's like, it's sad, but it is what it is. And if you don't want to be in this situation, if you don't want to be in that group, then you need to start investing right now. You don't have to be a genius. You just have to be rational. We have the how to choose/invest in altcoins that will increase by 10 times to 100 times to 1,000 times in value course right here. That course is $299. And with that course, you're going to learn what to do before investing in altcoins. You're going to learn how and where to find altcoins that will increase by 10 times to 1,000 times in value. You can ask people who have actually taken my advice, who've actually learned how to do this. They are making crazy amounts of money on cryptocurrency right now. You're going to learn how to evaluate altcoins to determine if they will increase by 10 times to 1,000 times in value. You're going to learn how to spot scam coins and use them to your own advantage to make 10 times to 1,000 times profit. You're going to learn how to minimize your risk when investing in altcoins to make profit. And you're also going to learn how to become an altcoin millionaire. Okay, so you're going to learn how to do all of these things. But again, you have to put in the work. You have to be willing to go out there and get it, because no one is going to do it for you. And don't blame others when, your lack of motivation, your lack of drive to actually move forward, to take chances. There's a saying in life, no risk, no reward. All right. And typically the bigger risk you take, the more reward you get. All right, that's just the way of things. Life has never been easy for people, and a lot of us have become complacent because of society today, and a lot of that's coming to an end. So again, it is what it is. You can find all the links to the courses inscription in the video on cryptomoney.academy. It's your future. It's your life. You have to decide if you want to take control of it. Brian Jamartel says, which 16 should we go for Electroneum? Which 16? Which? Oh, do you mean which exchange? Okay, so what's going on, Brian? For Electroneum, I will actually tell you a good exchange right now, because Electroneum is actually, like I said, Electroneum, for example, is a coin that is going to increase by in the coming month, and just like in the bull run, oh my gosh, 20 to 40 times, and then 100 to 200 times in a short period of time. Electroneum could see increases of like 500 times very soon. 500 times, okay? Electroneum could see increases of like literally like 500 times, because it's at 0.004 cents right now. You can see increases of 500 times. I mean, Electroneum has gone as high as almost 20 cents at its peak. So I just want you guys to remember that it has a very, very strong team. It has a very strong community. If you want to know where you can pick up some Electroneum, you can pick it up at my favorite exchanges to buy Electroneum are HitBTC, Huobi Global, and also Liquid Exchange. So and KuCoin, you can also find some on KuCoin. You can find a complete list of exchanges where you can pick up Electroneum on CoinMarketCap, and Brian, I actually just posted the link in this. I just posted a link in the description of the video in the chat area for you, so you can actually go and do that. EOS is now on Coinbase. That's another good one to look at. Tim's in the chat. He says, "Angry, thanks for the courses. I've gotten my first." Oh, Tim. Oh, guys. Tim is in the chat. He says, "Thanks for the courses. I've gotten my first free cryptocurrencies. Thank you, and thank you for your knowledge." Guys, Tim got his first free crypto. So Tim purchased a course on how to get free cryptocurrency, and he just got his first free crypto. And I just put out the course. So Tim's banking up. It's going to start flowing in now, bro. It's going to start flowing in now. And like I said, you're going to be able to use those cryptocurrencies. You're going to be able to sell them before everyone else. All right. And now you got that entirely for free without putting in any investment, without investing a single dime. So guys, like I said, yeah, definitely pick up the course that teaches you also how to get tons of free cryptocurrency without mining, because that is no game. All right. Cryptonomy says, "Awesome to hear, bro." Yeah, great. I'm so impressed with Tim. I am so impressed with Tim. But again, that's Generation Z is they're definitely pulling ahead of the millennials in so many ways. Like they're literally saying, like, there's articles everywhere that says the millennials are never going to recover, and Generation Z right now is just like completely leaving the millennials in the dust, because so many of us are so complacent and are just not preparing for the future, because we don't want to accept the future. We don't want to accept the reality of things. Anyway, guys, let me know what you're currently investing in. Are you surprised at the story of how this guy lost $1.2 million as a result of greed? And I mean, let me know what your experiences have been investing in crypto so far. If you have any questions for me about investing, definitely just hit me up in the comments. If you're a patron on the crypto or wealth building tier, you can also message me for questions over on Patreon. Don't forget you can take the course right now on Crypto Money Early Bird Special, how to take profit from cryptocurrency and not lose your entire investment. That's now available at the early bird price of $99 for the next just over 24 hours. All the links are in the description of the video, so you can pick up a course. Guys, no one's going to do it for you. If you want to be wealthy, if you want to secure your future, then this is the time, because it's funny because like all those people who invested during the .com era, they didn't lose their money. They lost money because they got greedy. They refused to take profit. Okay, all those people refused to take profit, and that's how things ended up going downhill for them. But that doesn't have to be you. All right, so take the course, learn how to take profit, learn how to increase your how to get tons of free cryptocurrency. Again, guys, no one's going to do it for you. Love God, get money, and shares. Oh my gosh. Brian says, angry, thank you, I'm going in. There you go, bro, you're welcome. Cryptonomy says, millennials are sofa lazing soon. Their sofa will be outside. Lolop. Oh my gosh.